Hey, Billy Rosner. I'm a Lund Pro staffer, professional fishing guide. Up in northern Minnesota, we do a lot of shore lunches, and I just want to go over with what consists in my shore lunch box. Really, your first thing you got to consider is your source of fire. A lot of times I like to use wood if there's not fire dangers and logistically if it makes sense. And I pack all my wood in this canvas bag, my kindling, my fire starter. That works out really nice so it stays nice and dry. And if I can't use wood, I'll use this propane Coleman stove, which is really a quick way to heat up my oil and stuff for a great shore lunch. As far as pans go, I like these cast iron frying pans. They're a little heavy, but that's really what I like. They're no maintenance. When you're done with them, you wipe them out. They're clean. You're gonna need some kind of utensils. I like a slotted spoon for my fish for turning it. I have another spoon for my potatoes and my beans. Don't forget the can opener. It's a really bummer if you forget a can opener. You got your knife, and then two sources too. I like these butane lighters, but sometimes they fail. So the good old-fashioned stick matches are really important. Tray, I put paper towel on, drain my fish nice. And then for sides too, you can use, I use like a Bush's baked beans. Sometimes I'll do wild rice, sometimes potato salad. Fried potatoes with onions. You can mix it up so you have a whole, kind of to your taste, you can do your shore lunch. Some kind of breading, there's a whole ton of them out there on the market. They all work well. And then I just like to keep it simple. I use plastic forks and spoons, paper plates, and then when I'm done with everything, my garbage, for some reason I always have a lot of these paper bags or plastic you can use. I never burn anything if I have a fire. I put it all in a bag. Take the garbage home with me. All this stuff fits really nice in my shore lunch box. You can just pack everything away. It's amazing what fits in this box, it really is. And don't forget too, a good pair of leather gloves for handling the hot pans. That's really important. I just pack all this stuff in here. And the box is just a nice heavy duty, kind of a big Rubbermaid box. It's all good to go. I can throw it in the boat, throw it in the back of my pickup, and no worries, good and waterproof. So if you get a chance, put together your own shore lunch box, and it's just a great experience outdoors.